Hi guys, hope you're well. So this is very exciting because I have my dear friend and incredible cook and cookbook author, Donna Hay, is in the house.
Hey babes.
So lovely to see you. From Australia. I've been a massive lover of her work for many, many years. As I flick through this book, it is just full of colour, full of optimism. The kind of vibe of this book is WeekLight. So I'm presuming this is good, delicious, healthy food for busy people that are trying
super
to
fast
rattle.
food to make you feel good. So the thing I discovered when I wanted to do like a veg forward book is that if you're trying to convince someone to cook something Tuesday, Wednesday night, cooking with loads of veg actually is more prep than just throwing a steak in a pan and making some salad or whatever. So I really had to work hard to make it doable on a
and do
weeknight.
what it says.
Yeah,
on the front of the tin,
it
as
was
it were.
really tough.
We're going to cook a recipe from this book today. What are we going to do?
So it's very veg forward, but it does have some chicken in it.
Yep.
So we're going to do one of my favorites, which is chipotle chilies in adobo
Delicious.
sauce.
Oh, amazing. What I love about your books is they always deliver. So this is the udon miso soup with crispy glazed salmon. I would say that's quite a Donna dish. And we buy salmon every week and we get bored.
When I first started out, I would have to travel far and wide to get really great Asian greens and things like that. And then they started appearing in the supermarkets.
You're Sydney, right?
Yeah.
And Aussie is sort of founded on being a melting pot. But I love flicking through the book. It's very optimistic. It does feel like a melting pot of lovely flavours. So what's happening here? You're chopping 2 cloves of garlic. What's this for? The marinade for the...
Same marinade for the chicken and the cauliflower, but I
Nice.
just want to roast them on different trays
Yeah.
because I want that cauliflower to have a little bit of a kind of...
Char a little bit, yeah, catch.
And then these chipotle chilies come in adobo sauce. The sauce is really smoky. It's already got paprika and garlic.
Oh, delicious. So we chop up those lovely chilies and then you mix that into your marinade?
Yeah,
Amazing colour.
it's really deep and red. It's
So garlic, the adobo and chilies, maple syrup, salt and pepper.
just lastly, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in
Nice.
that marinade.
Smells amazing. That same marinade, right? You could apply the same sort of love and care to a lovely piece of cod or barramundi, as you would
barramundi.
use.
You've got a good Australian accent, don't you?
Yeah, well, I like to think I can pull off a little Australian accent here and there.
So half on the cauliflower, half on the chicken.
Yeah. Lovely chicken and lovely veg.
Just
is
onto
very
2
exciting.
trays.
Easy prep, easy marinade. How long are you cooking that for?
220, nice and hot, 20 minutes.
Brilliant. We've got tacos, which we can just buy.
Yeah,
Nice
so
and easy.
I like the corn ones because I like the flavour. Knock yourself out, whichever ones you want. Now, I like to make this pickled onion, but it's sliced onion in vinegar,
Yeah.
bit of salt. How about a little bit of lime in yogurt, and it makes a zingy little dressing.
And what's yogurt? I've used yogurt before. Is
This
yogurt
is
like
something totally different you've never heard of. It's called yogurt.
I mean, the thing about yogurt is it's quite neutral, so it's neither sweet nor savoury. But then
Yeah.
when you add that lime,
Absolutely.
you can kind of take it into a place which is really lovely on spicy chicken and all that sort of stuff.
Can you have a try of that for me? Because I don't know if it's got enough lime in it.
A little half squeeze, go on, girl. So if you're wondering why I'm sat down not doing any work today, it's because I put my back out. I wish I could say it was something really exciting, but I was putting my 3-year-old's shoes on and he just wriggled and my back went ping ping. With the cabbage, you're just trying to achieve a little extra bit of colour and crunch and goodness.
Yeah.
And sweetness as well, isn't it? They are quite nice and sweet, these ones. So I reckon we've had about 20 minutes in that oven.
Oh yeah.
How's it looking?
I think you're going to like it. It smells great.
All these sticky bits are amazing.
Yeah, now we can eat those bits, huh?
So is this one for me?
Yeah.
I like the way it's caught, the little caught bits here. Very nice. If the boys are coming round for a little poker tournament, what kind of food are you cooking then? I mean, this would go down well. Right?
I did make them something like this the other night and they really loved it. 16-year-olds that time of night, they kind of wanted sweet stuff.
Come and have a look at this. I mean, that is just a little handful of pure deliciousness. It's really nice because this kind of type of food always has that impression of junk.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of love, a lot of care. It's veg first, flavour's massive, but that lime yoghurt is so cooling and so much loved
Oh, I
with
bet
that
you like
hot
that.
chilli. Yes, it's delicious, the crunch as well. And I've now got a glow, a little hum of heat.
It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was a joy. I wish you all the luck with the book. Oh, go on, you tuck away. And that's it. So thank you very much, guys. If you love this video, give us some feedback in the comments box below. Have a look at Donna's book. Click the link and go and have a look at it. And lots of love. Thank you very much.
Thanks, babes.
Bye.